Welcome back to Daytime Live. Right now, we're joined by reggae band Persons of Interest.
Yeah.
Welcome.
Hi.
Persons of Interest. Okay, introduce yourself, guys. I know we won't be able to hear you, but what's your name?
My name is Monifa.
And
We have Conroy here on keyboard, Ramon on drums, and Jerry on bass.
Jerry says peace. Okay.
Yeah.
The name Persons of Interest, really interesting. How did you get that? How did you come up with that name?
He did it.
He did.
Really, it was just being together and the vibe that we get off of each other. And I tried money from them, but they never wanted that one. So we went with Persons of Interest because it's a nice mesh of different people, different backgrounds coming together to make this sound.
Nice.
As you
nice.
said, so describe the person of interest. So.
I don't know. I don't know how to put it into words. I know how to perform it.
Okay.
But the response that we get from people every time they see us perform, it's overwhelming, and it's always just very positive. And that's one of the things that push us to continue. Because you know, music business is like, if you don't love it, don't do it. But
so
every time we perform, it just...
All right, speaking of perform, what song are you going to do for us today?
We are going to do Test. It was one of our third single that we released. And it's a very powerful song, and it's relevant to any time. And of course, we have students here today, so
All
please
right,
listen.
then. Take it away, Monifa. We'll come and talk to you guys after.
Do you think?
All right.
Yeah. So when we set test, you know, life always gonna do some things to you. But you have to just push through. Not true? Not true? Okay, all right, yeah. So we want you to always keep striving for the top. Hey. Yeah. Hey. My people, I'm gonna put you to the test. Encourage the youths, them fit, try them best, them unprepared. Shootouts without a vest. Interviewing shirts without a press again. Expect great things, and that's for sure. You can't sell yourself short because you're poor. And don't stop there, there is more in store. Youths, there is more in store.
Police lights still flashing. Army trucks them still passing. Policeman a still a be shot him. Know the coppers them a sing past him. I pray say the shatter them no know. Them gun that well hard the stone them when fling past him. But in the med them still asking. Or Jamaica still a war when the Christians them still fasting. And the Catholics them still massing. Mafia hide some of the truth bout jam down. When the visitors them we come in ask him.
Yeah.
But why you tell her you to feel like everything good? When the world have to bring past him in graduate from school with degree in exams them been passing. Can't get a job, while you them panic and work, and yet them still flossing.
Yeah.
Him baby mother she coming, vex pass him. A part time him a do, nah pay, cause it exhausting. So we can get Dex and put 2 cut pan him boss. Me sorry for the one when next cross him. Him upset and vex ask him. Yo.
My people, I'm gonna put you to the test. Encourage the youths, them fit, try them best, them unprepared. Shootouts without a vest. Interviewing shirts without a press again. Expect great things, and that's for sure. You can't sell yourself short because you're poor. And don't stop there, there is more in store. Youths, there is more in store.
And I no get them used, but them Glock shine with Alpine 24 skull, 2 time and crack spine. Businessman have a fuck up when collectors say tax time or copper shot, hang them up like rope in Ku Klux time. Cause I live in ice, some mount up roadblock, some plaque sign. But they mince up and soak like when they fruit man them chop fine.
Yeah.
Cops respond slow from both cell phone and landline. I saw jump down a run star. Oh, if you stop kind.
My people, I'm gonna put you to the test. Encourage the youths, them fit, try them best, them unprepared. Shoot out without a vest. Interview in shirts without a press again. Expect great things, and that's for sure. You can't sell yourself short because you're poor. And don't stop there, there is more in store. I'm gonna sing it one more time, I'm gonna hear again. My people, we're gonna put you to the test. Encourage the youths, them fit, try them best, them unprepared. Shoot out without a vest. Interview in shirts without a press. Hey, expect great things, and that's for sure. You can't sell yourself short because you're poor. And don't stop there, there is more in store. Youths, there is more in store.
Awesome. Don't stop. Just play it low. Just play it. Just go and play it low.
Me have a vibe, me catch a
I would like that
vibe.
little jazzy reggae vibes. It have a thing. It have a thing. But in that, tell us where we can find you on social media.
So how we find you on social media?
Well, on social media.
Sing it, man, sing it. Social media.
Social media. Persons of interest music.
Hey.
On Instagram.
Hey.
You can find us on Facebook too. Persons of interest event.
Hey, yes! Oh my God, that was so nice, Maniva. Thank you so much.
you.
That was hot. That was hot. I'm
do
liking
try.
it. I'm vibing it. Thank you guys so much for joining us on the show. That's it. That's a wrap. Join us on Tuesday.
On Tuesday with much more chat,
vibe, mix,
and buzz. Mad and extra. What if I think extra?
Hey. Have a vibe.